Good evening. So I'm going to pronounce the 15 sentences I was asked to do. The first one is I love drinking coffee. The second one is I love going to the beach. The third one is I love eating out. Then I go to the gym almost every day. I speak French. I am an English teacher. I live in Barranquilla. My dad was a professor. My aunt is a secretary. My mom is a doctor. My best friend's name is Juan. I've been teaching for 5 years. The beach is my favorite place. I would love to go to Italy. And I don't like to go to the movies.